bad girl. I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What's going on, Max Squad? Back again with another video here. This is going to be me discussing the camera quality here of the Samsung Galaxy A20. As you can see, I'm shooting this here in the regular lens, the 13 megapixel lens, full HD video. I will go outside, but it is daylight here, and I got the blinds open, so don't really necessarily need to go outside, but I can do this here. See, the camera can focus a little bit there. Not really. But let me know in the comment section, what do you think of the audio quality of the video here? What do you think of the actual video quality? Does it look pretty good to you? Let me take you guys into the tech here. This is the tech room, the little office here. Let me know what you think of the quality of this video here. So far, it looks pretty good. And I know you see that Max Rock hat there. So one of the limitations of this phone here is that you can't switch between wide angle and standard angle, or standard. You can't switch between the wide angle lens and the standard lens in the middle of the video here. So that's one of the downfalls of it. But this is the wide angle of the camera here. Quality looks pretty good. It's not bad at all. Now, I'll tell you this though. This is not a house tour. This is me showing you the camera quality of this phone. Let me know what you think of the audio quality. Does it sound a little bit different? Of course, it looks a little bit different, but I believe this is at full HD. So let me know in the comment section, how does it sound? How does it look? And I'm gonna switch around to the front after I show you some pictures. Deuces. So what is going on, everybody in Max Squad? Let's test out the front-facing camera of the Galaxy A20. And to me, it looks pretty good. Right now, we just turn the light on there to see how good it looks. Let's turn on another one. Looks pretty decent. Not really too upset about that. Hey, don't say anything. I got a lot of lights on in the house right now, but I paid an energy bill. So I guess that makes it okay. But anyway, what do you think of the audio quality and the video quality of the front-facing camera? The front camera is 8 megapixels. So right now, this is shooting at 1080p, yeah, full HD for sure. And I'm going out into my living room here. Looks pretty good. Not really complaining too much. It's getting into that light. Probably the best conditions would be back in here. Anywho, like I was saying, let me know what you think of the audio quality and the video quality here of this camera. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some stills of the front-facing camera. Basically, selfies. So in the comment section below, is the Galaxy A20 worth the money as far as the cameras? 8 megapixel camera in the front, 13 in the back, along with a 5 megapixel wide angle camera. What do you think of the cameras? Are they performing the way they should? I think so. But Max Squad, please share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.
Nurse strap.